Hello. I am going to be recording some videos for the upcoming holidays. I am hand making, whether it's crochet, sewing, mainly crochet and sewing, handmade gifts for a bunch of people. Currently, one of my work in progresses, my whips, is a scarf for one of my friend's dads. He picked out this yarn. It looks like this. I'm also using this crochet hook. I think it's a 3mm, maybe a 3.25. And this is the yarn wound up. It is the, oh gosh, I'm not going to be able to pronounce that, but this yarn. It is a sock weight, and this is what it looks like pre-caked. This is what it looks like crocheted with like a 3.25, 3mm hook. And this is what it looks like in a cake. And this is gonna become a scarf. I want to get this done before the holidays. We will see. But current holiday get ready is a scarf. Hello, good morning. It is the next day. I made so much progress. It might not look like a lot, but I made so much progress on the scarf. The goal is to make it, I would say maybe like 40 inches. So that's just over 3 feet long. That's the goal. I have this much done. This looks like, I don't know, I'm terrible at measurements, but maybe 1.5 feet. And then when I steam it, it's going to be longer. I have this much of this skein left, and then I have a whole other skein. So I'm hoping that it is enough. I work today. I see a ton of clients today. So I don't know how much crochet I'm going to be able to actually get done. We'll see. Hello. It is the next day. I worked yesterday and I have work again today, but this is how much progress has been made on the scarf for my friend's dad. This is what it's looking like. I also made progress on some dice trays, some problem solving. I want them to be double-sided so you can pick which side you roll on. And that has been a challenge, figuring out how to do that. Multiple variations, multiple tests. So we'll see if this latest iteration of dice trays is double-sided. And those are in the craft room, so I'm not going to show them right now. But this is what the scarf looks like so far. The goal is to get it done maybe over the next couple days. I still need to do a lot of market prep. Lots of market prep. Today is Tuesday. The market is Saturday, and I have not done a ton of prep for it since what I thought would be my first market, where I got scammed and there was no market. So I need to add some inventory before this hopefully actual market, and hopefully not a scam. I don't think it'll be a scam. But that is the update. That's how much I got done of the scarf, and we'll see if it's done before the holidays. Alright, and I will probably check in maybe this evening, either this evening or tomorrow morning before I go to work, and we'll see how much progress we make. This yarn is turning out beautiful. I'm loving this pattern. but I will see you around. All right, for our next check-in. Hello, hello. It is the next day, and I have made some progress on this scarf. So, here we go. This is what I got done. It is probably about halfway done. I have gone through, well, I have this much yarn left in one skein, and I have a whole other skein in case I run out, which I definitely will. I just haven't felt like winding it up yet, but the plan is I have work today, and then I'm going to try and get this done by the end of this week. It is currently Wednesday. I did some market prepping yesterday where I made some squishies. I also did some problem solving for the dice trays that I am making. So I need to go out and get some supplies for that, but the dice trays I have time for. So that is progress on the scarf, and I will likely see you when it's done. Maybe if I can get it done tomorrow, but I'll give an update. All right, thank you. So this is a little bit later after one whole skein of yarn. This is what we're looking like. And I have wound up the second skein, and it is right here. It looks absolutely stunning. I am super excited to finish this scarf and get working on maybe another Christmas present. I think I want to make a stuffed moose. This is my first amigurumi that I'm going to be making. I've made like test little ones, but like not really. So this will be interesting. Well, I'll probably be checking in tomorrow morning and hopefully have some more of the scarf done, maybe close to being done. Hello, good morning. It is the next day. I worked into the night and a little bit this morning. This is what I got so far. It still has a little bit to go, but I felt like doing an update. You guys may or may not see this, but this is where we're at now. I don't know why earlier in the video I was like, oh yeah, like 40 inches is long enough for a scarf. More like double that. More like double it, and you might have enough for a scarf. And I definitely have enough yarn. I still have this much yarn, so that's good. Not running out of yarn for this project. And I want to get it done like soon because it is December 11th, I think. I think it's December 11th. It's Thursday. So I'm hoping to get this done soon because I have the market this weekend and I wish I had more time to prep for that. But I also want to get this done. So I saw this picture on Instagram, and it was like not me feeling overwhelmed and telling everyone I'm gonna hand make them a gift for Christmas this year. That's me. I told so many people that I was gonna hand make them gifts, regrettably. So I'm trying to like meet expectations, but some things might be late. Sorry. But I will probably check in later today. I have work today, which I need to get ready for soon. And then I plans to go to H Mart with a friend, and that's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. Maybe I'll record some stuff. Love H Mart. And yeah, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get done today. I want to get it done by this weekend, which is we'll see. But I need to get ready for work, so I will see you. Hello. It is quite a bit later. I believe the last clip that I recorded for the scarf and Christmas prep was at least a couple days ago, if not a week. Sorry. Life has been crazy. I did the market. Market was cool. Gonna be a video on the market. I think I'm gonna make separate videos. Christmas prep, market, shawl, final Christmas gift video. I don't really have a plan, which is okay. That happens sometimes. But here is what the scarf is looking like. It is pretty long. I think it's done. This is the length that it's at right now. And maybe, I don't know, I haven't steamed it yet. So I think with steaming, it'll be good length. You know, this is from my friend's dad. I really like it. I'm a little bit jealous that he's getting this beautiful yarn. Again, this is I'm not going to be able to pronounce this, but it is this yarn, 100% wool, and it feels really soft, really nice. It's like a thin yarn, sock weight, like this. But this is what the scarf is looking like. I still have to make dice trays. I still plan on making a one of those hot pot mats. I need to make multiple hot pot mats. I need to make a dish drying mat, and I need to make gifts for family, friends, family. I'm going to be making this little moose guy from this book, Edward's Men. You know what it says. I can't pronounce words. This book. I've never made an amigurumi before. I've made like where is it? Little circle balls, stress ball things, but I've never made like a stuffy like this before. So I'm gonna make a test, and then I'm gonna make the one that I'm actually gonna give to my friend. Woo! There is a lot of holiday things, and I'm stressed. I am very stressed about the holidays. I know, everyone in my life has been very kind, very like, if you can't make me something, that's fine. Don't stress about it. But I'm stressed about it because this is like my Super Bowl. This is the Crafter Super Bowl, and I am super behind schedule. And I want to edit videos and get some stuff out on YouTube because it's just something that I want to do, and we'll see how it goes. So I will probably be checking in maybe later today or maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I'm working all this week, so I might take some time off, just relax, breathe a little bit. Finish. Oh, not finished, but almost finished a scarf. So that's been fun. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you whenever I see you next. See ya. Alright, so I have just finished steaming the scarf. This is how long it's looking. Looking nice and sizable. You see, let me see. There we go. You can see that a little bit better. You can see that the scarf goes pretty long, so you can wear it like that, wear it like this. You can even wear it like this with a loop, or if you really were cold, you can give it a double loop, do it like this. I like it like this. I like it like this. Also love it a little bit looser, like this, or can wear it all the way down or like this. I'm really happy with it. You can see the beautiful coloring, and it's nice and stretchy too. Again, this is like a finger weight yarn. I love it. Again, this is from my friend's dad, and I think this video will be out right before Christmas. I still have a whole bunch of gifts that I am working on and need to show off. So this is just video number 1 for Christmas prep. This is a scarf, and I'm very proud of it. And I will see you guys in the next video. This will be my outro for this one. And look out for some Christmas prep videos. It is currently December 19th, I believe. It's the Sunday before Christmas, and I work Monday and Tuesday, so we'll see how much I can get done. But this is the end of the video for the scarf, and there will be more Christmas videos coming out soon. Alright, hope you guys have a great holiday. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun YouTube stuff. I feel silly saying that, but apparently it helps. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.